Raspberry Dutch Baby with chocolate chips, origins and modern twist. The history. A Dutch baby is a light, fluffy pancake baked in a skillet, known for its dramatic puff and crispy edges. This dish has a fascinating history that traces its origins to German pancakes and was popularized in American brunch culture. Adding raspberries and chocolate chips gives it a modern, dessert-like twist, making it an irresistible brunch or dessert option. Origins of the Dutch baby, German pancake influence. The Dutch baby is derived from the German Pfannkuchen or Dutch Pannenkuchen, which are large, thin pancakes cooked in a skillet. The dish is not actually Dutch. The name is an American twist. It was popularized in the early 1900s by Victor Manka, owner of Manka's Cafe in Seattle, who called it a Dutch baby because of the Pennsylvania Dutch German immigrants' influence. Unlike traditional pancakes, Dutch babies are baked in the oven, causing them to puff dramatically before deflating into a custardy center with crispy edges. The addition of raspberries and chocolate chips. Raspberries and chocolate are a classic flavor combination in European desserts, particularly in French and Belgian patisseries. The tartness of raspberries balances the richness of chocolate, creating a sweet, tangy flavor profile. Adding these ingredients to Dutch babies is a modern brunch innovation, likely inspired by the trend of elevated breakfast dishes in American cafes and bistros. This variation gained popularity through social media, food bloggers, and gourmet brunch spots, appealing to foodies looking for a dessert-like breakfast experience. The cultural significance. A fusion of German tradition and American brunch culture. The Dutch baby is a fusion of German pancake traditions with American brunch culture, known for its dramatic presentation and versatility in toppings. In Germany, similar dishes are eaten with apple slices, powdered sugar, or lemon juice. In the U.S., Dutch babies have evolved into sweet or savory brunch dishes, topped with everything from fruit and chocolate to bacon and cheese. A popular brunch and dessert item. Dutch babies are often featured in brunch cafes, high-end breakfast restaurants, and dessert menus. The chocolate chip and raspberry version is seen as a more dessert-like adaptation, appealing to fans of sweet breakfasts and those seeking an elevated pancake experience. It's particularly popular during Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and holiday brunches due to its colorful, festive presentation. Modern social media influence. The dramatic puff and beautiful presentation of Dutch babies make them Instagram-worthy, contributing to their popularity in the age of social media. Food bloggers and influencers have popularized variations with seasonal fruits, flavored chocolates, and creative toppings, making it a trendy brunch item. Aspects. Cost and profitability in restaurants. Dutch babies are cost-effective for restaurants since they use basic pantry staples like flour, eggs, milk, and sugar. Raspberries and chocolate chips add a premium feel without significantly raising costs, making this a high-margin brunch item. Restaurants charge $10 to $20 per plate, even though the ingredient cost is relatively low. Growth in brunch and dessert markets. The brunch industry has seen rapid growth, with a market value of over $20 billion in the U.S. alone. Dutch babies are positioned as a gourmet pancake option, appealing to brunchgoers and dessert lovers alike. The addition of chocolate chips and raspberries makes it attractive for special occasions and holiday menus. Rise of ready-made and DIY kits. Companies like Trader Joe's and Williams-Sonoma now offer Dutch baby mixes, capitalizing on the demand for gourmet brunch dishes at home. Specialty brands also sell flavored chocolate chips and premium raspberry preserves as toppings, creating a mini market around gourmet Dutch babies. My conclusion. Raspberry chocolate chip Dutch baby is a modern twist on a classic German pancake, transformed into a brunch sensation with the addition of tart raspberries and sweet chocolate chips. It combines European dessert traditions with American brunch culture, making it a versatile, profitable, and Instagram-worthy dish. The recipe. A light, fluffy, and custardy Dutch baby baked to golden perfection, topped with tart raspberries and melty chocolate chips. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even dessert. for the Dutch baby. 3 large eggs at room temperature for a better puff. 4 cup whole milk at room temperature. All-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half teaspoon orange zest. It's optional, but it enhances the raspberry flavor. Salt. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter for the skillet. Half cup chocolate chips, semi-sweet or dark chocolate. Half cup fresh raspberries or frozen, slightly thawed. For toppings, optional but recommended. Powdered sugar for dusting. Whipped cream or mascarpone. Extra chocolate drizzle, melted chocolate or chocolate sauce. Fresh raspberries or orange slices. The instructions. Preheat and prepare the skillet. Preheat oven 220. Place a 10-inch cast iron skillet in the oven to heat while preparing the batter. Make the batter. In a blender, combine eggs, milk, flour, sugar, vanilla extract, orange zest, and salt. Blend until smooth and frothy, about 20 to 30 seconds. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes to allow the flour to fully hydrate. Melt the butter and add batter. Carefully remove the hot skillet from the oven and add unsalted butter, swirling until melted and the skillet is fully coated. Immediately pour the batter into the hot skillet. Add chocolate chips and raspberries. Quickly sprinkle chocolate chips and raspberries evenly over the batter. Place the skillet back in the oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes until the Dutch baby is puffed and golden brown. Serve and enjoy. Remove from the oven and dust with powdered sugar. Top with whipped cream, extra raspberries, and a drizzle of melted chocolate for an indulgent finish. Serve immediately. It will deflate slightly as it cools. Variations. Nutty twist. Add chopped hazelnuts or almonds with the chocolate chips. Citrus boost. Use lemon zest and white chocolate chips for a brighter flavor. Gluten-free. Substitute with gluten-free all-purpose flour. Vegan version. Use plant-based milk, flax eggs, and vegan chocolate chips. Best restaurant and store-bought options. If you prefer to order or buy ready-made, try the original Pancake House Dutch Baby Pancake, customized with raspberries and chocolate. First watch Seasonal Dutch Baby. Check for berry and chocolate variations. Trader Joe's Dutch Baby Mix. Add chocolate chips and raspberries. Williams-Sonoma Dutch Baby Kit. Gourmet mix for at-home baking. Final thoughts. This raspberry Dutch baby with chocolate chips is a show-stopping brunch dish, combining light, fluffy texture with sweet tart flavors. It's perfect for brunch parties, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Would you like a special sauce recipe or a wine pairing suggestion? Let me know in the comments below. Do you love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.